Well, hello everybody. It's another National Ceiling Fan Day. Unfortunately, it's way too warm yet to open the windows, but the AC is currently not running, so that's good enough, I guess. This is of course, the 84 R&M Hunter original. And here's the 85 R&M Hunter original 1.1 amp. That one's a good running fan right there. And of course the 82 R&M Hunter original 2.5 amp. Running just as good as ever. Very quiet runner. It's one of my favorite models right there. There's the Bahama hugger in the kitchen and the generic hugger in the den. Both working great. And here's the 1991 Summer Breeze by Hunter. Still working perfectly as well. And pardon the noise, but here's my two Hunter originals out on the back porch, the 81 and 82 models. Both working as good as ever. And last but not least, my 79 36-inch Hunter original and the 81 36-inch Hunter original. Canopy's a little jacked. It's got a plastic canopy. Probably gonna have to switch that out with something different. They're both running very well. This is about the size of room one of these is made for. So they put out quite a bit of air in here. They're both on low. Can crank them up to high, and they get the job done. That 79 is a fast running one. And then this one here, the 81's a typical running one. So once again, happy National Ceiling Fan Day 2023. Thank you for watching.